Niswander Band, and it's time to have some fun. 1, 2, 3, 4.
My name's Maury Joseph Workman. My friends call me Mojo.
I'm Mojo, working. I got my cup of Joe. Ooh, it's some great stuff. I'm not fooling. Mojo. This come from the disco era, I think, right? Always love holidays and being goofy. When I was media ambassador for a UN program, Adopt a Minefield, and No More Landmines, that was our tagline. I like to wear hats, it's not just for show. Sometimes I like to feel incognito, whether Hank Aaron or John Doe. I think it's really cool to wear a chapeau, and I can't wear just one hat. I'd like to wear hats, and that is that. I wanna love you to the nth degree, because it feels so natural. Like beauty is more than skin deep. It isn't just physical. We have a special bond. It doesn't matter what you call it. So simple, yet complex, like a puzzle, every piece has a fit now. And I say everyone in this place makes the world go round. If Jesus were here today, would he wanna go surfing? Would he have a computer in his home? Would he send email messages from a Wi-Fi zone? Use live stream or text on his telephone? Hey dude, let's pick up a pizza, then check out the World Wide Web. Surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing, whoa, surfing with Jesus, surfing.